Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dintia and I'm going to explain about programming language and networking. First, what is programming language? A programming language is an artificial language designed to communicate instruction to a machine, particularly computer. Programming languages can be used to create programs that control the behavior of the machine and or to express algorithm precisely. You can find too many programming language. Misalnya seperti Pascal, bahasa C++, Visual Basic, Visual Fox Pro, dan Java. Selanjutnya, what is networking atau jaringan komputer? Jaringan komputer is defined as a system that connects two or more computing devices. Computer network comprises two or more computers that are connected either by cables, wired, or Wi-Fi atau wireless with the purpose of transmitting, exchanging, or sharing data and resources. Selanjutnya ada tipe-tipe jaringan komputer. Yang pertama, LAN atau Local Area Network. Di sini dijelaskan, connects computer over a relatively short distance, allowing them to share data, files, and resources. Contohnya, jaringan LAN ini bisa menghubungkan semua komputer di area gedung, sekolah, dan rumah sakit. Yang kedua ada WAN atau Wide Area Network. WAN connects computer over a wide area such as from region to region or even continent to continent. Artinya menghubungkan komputer-komputer dalam area yang luas seperti dari wilayah ke wilayah atau bahkan benua ke benua. Contohnya adalah internet. The internet is the largest one, connecting billions of computers worldwide. Yang ketiga ada MAN atau Metropolitan Area Network. MANs are typically larger than LANs but smaller than WANs. Artinya, MANs biasanya lebih besar dari LANs tapi lebih kecil daripada WANs. Cities and government entities typically own and manage MANs. Yang terakhir ada PVN atau Virtual Private Network. A PVN is a secure point-to-point connection between two network endpoints. A PVN establishes an encrypted channel that keeps a user identity and access credential. Computer networks and the Internet. The Internet is actually a network of networks that connects billions of digital devices worldwide. Standard protocols allow communication between these devices. Those protocols include the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, the HTTPS, in front of all website addresses. Internet Protocol or IP addresses are unique identifying numbers that are required of every devices that access the Internet. IP addresses are comparable to your mailing address, providing unique location information so that information can be delivered correctly. How do they work? Computer networks connect nodes like computers, routers, and switches by using cables, fiber optics, or wireless signal. This connection allows devices in a network to communicate and share information and resources. Networks follow protocols which define how communication are sent and received. These protocols allow devices to communicate. Each device on a network uses Internet Protocol or IP address, a string of numbers that uniquely identifies a device and allow other devices to recognize it. Routers are virtual or physical devices that facilitate communication between different networks. Routers analyze information to determine the best way for data to reach its ultimate destination. Switches connect devices and manage node-to-node communication inside a network, ensuring that bundles of information traveling across a network reach their ultimate destination. Jaringan komputer menghubungkan komputer, router, dan switch dengan menggunakan kabel, serat optik, atau sinyal nirkabel. Koneksi ini memungkinkan perangkat dalam jaringan untuk berkomunikasi dan berbagi informasi dan sumber daya. Jaringan mengikuti protokol yang menentukan bagaimana komunikasi dikirim dan diterima. Protokol ini memungkinkan perangkat untuk berkomunikasi. Setiap perangkat di jaringan menggunakan protokol internet atau alamat IP, serangkaian angka yang secara unik mengidentifikasi perangkat dan memungkinkan perangkat lain mengenalnya. Router adalah perangkat virtual atau fisik yang memfasilitasi komunikasi antar jaringan yang berbeda. Router menganalisis informasi untuk menentukan cara terbaik bagi data untuk mencapai tujuan akhirnya. Switch menghubungkan perangkat dan mengelola komunikasi node to node di dalam jaringan, memastikan bahwa kumpulan informasi yang melintas jaringan mencapai tujuan akhirnya. Computer virus. A computer virus is a computer program that can spread across computers and networks by making copies of itself. Usually, without the user knowledge, viruses have harmful side effects. This can range from displaying irritating messages to deleting all the files on our computer. How do viruses infect our personal computer? Viruses hide on a disk, and when you access the disk, either a diskette or another hard disk over a network, the virus program will start and infect your computer. The worst thing about computer virus is that they can spread from one computer to another, either via use of infected flash disks or over a computer network, including the internet. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.